Welcome to you. This meditation will help you to put the weight of anxiety down and create space in your body and mind so for a few moments you can feel more free and just breathe. This meditation helps me to pause and reset when I feel overwhelmed in my daily life, and I hope it does for you too. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Let's begin. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. Rest your palms facing open and upward, ready to receive the gift of peace that is waiting for you. Ground yourself here. Feel the support of the earth beneath you and the love of the universe around you. You are okay. In this moment, everything is okay. Gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Let the outside world and all that comes with it slowly fade into the background. For this little while, let's simply exist in this time and space, just you and your breath. Know that you are safe here and you are loved. Without judgment, take notice of how you're breathing right now, and let's slow it down. Take a deep breath and notice the sensation of the cleansing air as you breathe in through your nose and gently out through your mouth. Keep breathing slowly and notice the rise and fall of your chest. As we continue to breathe cleansing and nourishing breaths, let's let the air move to the parts of our body that are tense, the places where we're holding our anxiety. Notice where they are without judgment. Let your inhaled breath gather the tension, and as you exhale, release it and send it away from your body. Watch it float away from you and notice the spaciousness and lightness left behind. Keep breathing, gathering, and releasing. Let the heaviness in your body slowly and gently be released. All through the day, we collect worries, expectations, obligations, and fears, most of them not serving us. Let's set an intention for these next few minutes to give ourselves permission to let them go. Gently let go of the weight of opinions and judgments from other people and from ourselves. And gently let go of the weight of expectations that are often too high to meet. Feel them leave your body and mind with each exhale, like leaves floating on a stream. When you feel the weight of fear or worry, find comfort and strength from the ever-present support of the universe. Hand over your fears and worries and free yourself from their grip. They aren't serving you. Trust in your journey. As we continue to let go of the clutter that feels heavy in our minds, let's sit in stillness for a few moments. In this quiet, light space, feel the spaciousness of calm within you. If thoughts come back to you, it's okay. Don't hold on to them. Just let them pass through your mind. And if that feels too hard, then just let them be. Take a deep breath in and give yourself gentle reassurance that you are enough just as you are. Let's linger here for a little while longer, allowing this feeling to settle deeply within your cells, becoming an important part of you. Breathe softly, naturally, and at your own rhythm. And now let's bring our awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Events of the day will return, but you can use the calm you've created within you here to come back to. Always connect with the anchor of your breath. You have begun to let go of what no longer serves you. So be mindful as these thoughts come back to you. Let them continue to pass, or just let them be. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes. Save this meditation and come back anytime you feel overwhelmed and need to remind yourself that you are always enough. Subscribe to 3 Leaves. I have a new meditation for you each week. I wish for you a calm mind and body. Until we meet again.